Hello everybody, welcome back to new Grotefingen tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add arms plus to Grotefingen. Basically what this is like fast IK fabric, but it's kind of better. You know, it's a lot better. I just personally use this a lot. I made this. So, jump on this tutorial, link for that inside the description. Scroll all the way down till you see the arms plus channel in the plus category. Then just download the unit package that's in here. Import this, and then go to your player probably. So, let me open up my player. There we go ahead. You can already see a little bit here. You just want to select this arm, by the way, you do not need animation rigging or anything else on this. So just want to add the arms plus script, which is located in resources then arms plus, because this is where all of the plus ones are going to get stored. Just add this, and then I'm just going to do the setup again. So I'm just going to remove this component. So the script, we got the upper arm, add arms plus, boom, there you go ahead. Now we have your arm right here. So you want to add the upper arm into this list. Make sure the index 0 is just the first one. So that one gonna be the upper arm. You guys can add as many bones as you want. Then add all of your bones, and the last one should be the hand again. So I got these 3 bones now. So my upper arm, my lower arm, and my hand. Now for the target, you can just create an empty game object, which I have on the right hand right here. It's called our underscore target. Make sure it's on 0, 0, 0. You can keep the rotation whatever you want. Just make sure to select this. There you go ahead, boom. And now for the pole, you just want to make an empty game object inside of like your actual player model thing, not inside of armature, because then it's gonna move with it and it's gonna be very weird. So just make an empty game object, move it a little bit to the back. I usually do where the elbow is, and I just move it a little bit to the back. And then you just want to go ahead and drag that into here. So our pole. Boom, there you go ahead. Should see that yellow dot. If you don't, by the way, make sure to turn on gizmos. IK control, this is just like where we do the weight and the iterations and stuff. And Newton IK, I'm going to show you this one. I usually always use Newton IK. I just love it. It's way too cool. But I'm going to update the credits. It's going to say Peaceful here, because Peaceful gave me like the base for Newton IK, and also gave me even the idea about that. So yeah, here we go ahead. I'm going to show you both of the versions. I'm going to actually turn off gizmos right now, so you guys can see one of the things. The left arm uses Newton IK. This one here doesn't. This one just uses default IK. So oops. So I'm going to actually now go ahead and get my left hand. So I'm going to move that away. And here you go with my right hand. So you guys can see it's just simple IK, you know. But with Newton IK, you can see it's like you can see it's like very smooth. If you maybe notice that. And on here it's just instant. It's not smooth at all. And boom. Let me enable Newton IK here as well, because I just love Newton IK. So now you guys can see it actually uses the poles now as well. Now, one thing that you can enable is stretchy arms, for example. So basically, now when I stretch my arms, they're just gonna stretch with it, which I don't know why. I just love it. It looks just very cool. That just might be me. So yeah, you guys can see you can now stretch your arms. This is optional. You can of course disable that. So that's basically Newton IK and the normal IK. So you guys can see it's too far for usual stuff. But if you do disable stretchy arms now, it's gonna think that this is your normal arm size. So make sure that if you do disable that, make sure that the arm is at a like normal position again. Kind of weird looking like this. You could do some weird stuff, I guess, with this. That's the wrong arm. But yeah, so that's basically just how you add it. You do not, by the way, need to give credits. I do not care about credits. Just don't say you made it. It's kind of fast then. And yeah, this is all you gotta do, y'all. So yeah, bye bye and love y'all.